Good evening and welcome to Flannel Hill Farm. So today we woke up and our goal was go into town quick, do some stuff, get back and get a lot of plumbing done. Before we left, Big K looked out and we'll talk about that in a minute. We gotta go let the chickens in. It's chilly out here. Don't come out and greet me. Get back in your coop. What are you doing? You crazy bird. Jeez. Get back in your coop. Come on, let's go. In the coop. Crazy birds. Come on. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Nutbags. Come on. Go on. It's dark. Go. Go on. Go on. Okay, I'm just gonna close it. You go. Okay. Naughty birds. So they all only ever use like one nesting box. So now what they've started doing is they're laying the eggs in one nesting box and then they like all jam into a couple of the other ones at night. I don't get it, but I'm not a bird, so oh, it's cold out here. Okay, birds are done. The dogs are still eating. So let's talk about what Kevin, Big K, found. This is not my favorite topic. It's getting dark out. I'll probably be out after dark fixing this. So it took all day to find what we thought we needed. Turns out they didn't have what we needed. So Big K's on his way back from town again to get something else that we hope will work. But here we go. So Big K looks out from the camper this morning and he sees water spewing out of the head of our hydrant. So our hydrant cracked last night, apparently. It was cold and there's a crack right there, if you can see it, right above the W and the A. If I wasn't shivering so bad, you'd probably be able to see it better. But so we went and we got what we thought was going to be the replacement. We found a head and the whole hydrant closer to us, but we thought that Home Depot had the actual brand that we were trying to fix. So we went all the way out to Home Depot. Turns out they didn't have what we needed. So we ended up getting the whole pipe, the whole thing from Home Depot instead of just the piece that we needed. So then we got it apart, but we couldn't get the new one apart because there's nothing holding the pipe down or the head down. So we sent Big K out for just the head, and so hopefully we can get the plunger and the head put back together and put in and get that going. So hopefully that will work. Hopefully I can do that still tonight and then we should be good. Should probably check the weather. Maybe it's not even worth it tonight. I don't know, but that's what we're doing. Every time we get about ready to move on a project or something, we get in a position to move on a project. Farm life. So tiny house update is basically that we weren't able to do anything on the tiny house because farm life. It's becoming quite frustrating. I gotta be honest. This is becoming a joke, I think, to somebody somewhere. Yeah, you can't even see in here. And I'm not gonna go turn on a light. It's been that kind of day. So, a lot of pipe run, a lot of fittings put in. I'll show you guys tomorrow, I think. If I remember, I'll upload another video tomorrow and we'll look at it. Sorry, but it is what it is. You guys see it. You're seeing the frustrating part, the good part, the happy part. So, on your way back down the hill, if you wouldn't mind liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that little bell notification button thing down there. Sorry about the lighting. I did what I could. We appreciate y'all.